प्यारे बच्चों, आपको लेसन फिफ्थ द जुडिशरी में आपको सुप्रीम कोर्ट के बारे में पढ़ा रहा था। हमारे देश का सर्वोच्च न्यायालय सुप्रीम कोर्ट जो दिल्ली राजधानी है जो हमारे देश की, वहाँ पाया जाता है। इसके बारे में क्लास में आपको बताया था, फिर से ध्यान दें संक्षिप्त में। द सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज द लोकेटेड इन दिल्ली. It is the highest and final court of law in India. It is responsible for the protection of the Constitution and the rights and liberties of the people. Composition में क्या दे रहे हैं? The Supreme Court consists of the Chief Justice and the 30 other judges. The number of its judge is fixed by Parliament. This number may be increased by an act of Parliament. Chief Justice and other judges. The Chief Justice heads Supreme Court. He is appointed by the President of India. Other judges are appointed by President in due consultation with the Chief Justice of India. The qualification essential to become a judge of Supreme Court are as follows. He should be citizen of India. He should be advocate with at least 10 years experience or judge of High Court. For 5 years are a distinguished jurist in the opinion of President. Term of office. The judge of Supreme Court retired at the age of 65 years. He found guilty of misuse of authority, they can be removed from their office by the President. Jurisdiction power of the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has 3 kinds of jurisdiction, that is power to give judgment given as under original jurisdiction, appellate jurisdiction और advisory jurisdiction. ये 3 प्रकार के jurisdiction हैं original में. In certain case the Supreme Court is also authority to discharge the function. Such case originate in the Supreme Court only and include the dispute between 2 or more states, the dispute between the union government and 1 or more state government, case involving the violation of the Constitution. Appellate jurisdiction. The Supreme Court is the highest judicial body. It hears appeals against the judgment of the High Court. It can also review its own judgment. It hears appeal in the certain case which are as follows. When a High Court certified that each particular case should be tried in the Supreme Court. When a High Court changed the decision of lower court in a criminal case and awards death punishment. Advisory jurisdiction. The President may be refer any matter of the constitutional importance to the Supreme Court for its opinion. The President may accept or reject the advice. Function of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is the guardian of our Constitution. It decides all cases which involve any point of constitutional law. It acts as an interpreter of the Constitution. It can declare laws made by Parliament and the state legislature invalid if found against Constitution. The Supreme Court is the guardian of the fundamental rights of the citizen. A citizen of India can approach it for the protection of his rights. The Supreme Court can declare order of the government invalid if these are found to violate the right of the citizen of India. The Supreme Court is ultimate court of record in India. It maintains a record of its decision and publishes the same. These decisions are quoted by lawyers as presents while pleading their case. The Supreme Court supervises and controls the working of the High Court. Its jurisdiction extends to the whole country. Now, High Courts. The High Courts is the highest court in a state. Some states and union territories share a common High Court, such as Haryana and Punjab and Chandigarh (UTI) share a common High Court at Chandigarh. In all, there are 24 High Courts in the country. Composition. A High Court consists of a Chief Justice and other judges. The number of judges depends on the size of the state. The Chief Justice is appointed by the President of India in consultation with the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and the Governor of the state concerned. Other judges are appointed by the President of India in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. The Chief Justice of the High Court and the Governor of the state. Qualification. The qualification of the Chief Justice and other judges are as follows. He should be citizen of India. He should have worked as judge in High Court at least 10 years or as an advocate in the High Court for 10 years or should be renewed jurist. Terms. The Chief Justice and other judges hold the office till the age of 62 years. They can be removed from their post earlier by the President of India, no receiving a motion passed by the Parliament. Power and function. The High Court is the highest court of justice in a state. It enjoys the following powers: original jurisdiction, appellate jurisdiction, or supervisory jurisdiction. Now see again. Original jurisdiction. The original jurisdiction of High Courts include the matter related to fundamental rights and dispute related to state election. Appellate jurisdiction. The High Court hears appeals in civil and criminal cases decided in the subordinate courts. Supervisory jurisdiction. The High Court controls and supervises the work of the lower courts by examining their records. It maintains a record of all its decisions and proceedings which are quoted by the lawyer of the subordinate court. The subordinate courts include all the courts, the district level and below. There are different courts in a district to try civil and criminal cases. Civil cases are tried in the court of district judge. These courts can be hear appeals against lower courts. Smaller civil cases are tried by munsif and sub judges in the lower courts. Criminal cases are tried in the courts of the session judge. The district judge act as the district and session judge. Criminal cases are also heard by magistrate in the lower courts. The courts of the session judge hear appeals against the decision of the lower courts. The judge of the subordinate courts, other than the district judges, are appointed by the governor from the state judicial services. They are recommended by the state public service commission. Their salary and allowances are decided by the respective state governments. Now, next day,